The direct search feature connects ExacqVision client instances directly to an archive without connecting to the ExacqVision server first. Direct search is only applicable to archive data. In a standard search of recorded data on the server, the client communicates with the ExacqVision server to request video, audio, or serial data, then downloads copies of the data from the server to the client machine's cached memory. Prior to direct search being introduced, searching for video on the archive meant making a request to the server, which then pulled the data from the archive to forward onto the client. When using direct search, however, the client can communicate directly with the archive. This can speed up video downloads as well as reduce overall network bandwidth usage since the client talks directly to the archive. Additionally, since the client can communicate directly with an archive source such as an ExacqVision S-Series server or your cloud drive account, video stored on the archive can be searched even if the ExacqVision NVR is offline or temporarily unreachable. As mentioned in the separate video on archiving setup, an archive holds a copy of data from the recording server. This means there are two possible sources of the same data. This is rectified by the ability to select your preferred source in the search page. Using the direct search button on the top toolbar in search allows you to choose between preferring cloud video, preferring system video, preferring archive video, or disabling direct search. When preferring one source over the others, the client will download from that source if the data exists there, even if there is a copy of the same data elsewhere. The use of direct search for any of the preferred choices does require that the client have a network pathway to communicate with that server or archive source.